We are now going to show you how to use the Pythagorean theorem. So suppose we have the following right triangle with one side of x plus 7, and one side of 2x plus 3. And we're told to find the value of x. Well, we do that by identifying a, b, and c, and finding a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So we'll start with a. A is just x. So we square it. B is x plus 7, so we square it as well. And c is 2x plus 3, so we square that. Now, we perform all of those squares, so we get x squared plus, this is a perfect square trinomial, so it's the first one squared, plus the first times the second times 2, plus the second one squared. Do the same thing on this side, so 2x quantity squared becomes 4x squared. 2x times 3 is 6x, times 2 is 12x, and 3 times 3, or 3 squared, is 9. Now, we want to move everything over to one side, and we really want to start by combining like terms. So this becomes 2x squared plus 14x plus 49 equals 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. Now we want to subtract things over. To get 0 equals 2x squared minus 2x minus 20. Sorry, minus 40. We're almost ready. Notice that we can divide everything by 2. So we divide everything by 2 and get 0 equals x squared minus x minus 20. This factors as minus 20 out to minus x are x minus 5 and x plus 4. So we get x equals 5 and x equals minus 4 using our properties from earlier. Now, as we're looking at this, we need to go back and we need to check our answer. So we're going to plug 5 in. So if we plug in 5, we get 5 and 5 plus 7 and 2 times 5 plus 3, or 5, 12, and 13. Those all make sense, plus 5 squared plus 12 squared does in fact equal 13 squared. 25 plus 144 equals 169, 169 equals 169. So we've made sure we did our work right, and we've figured out that 5 works for x. Minus 4, on the other hand, has a couple of problems. If we put a minus 4 here, and a minus 4 plus 7 here, and a minus 4 times 2 plus 3, we get minus 4, 3, and minus 8 plus 3 is minus 5. Notice these negatives? We're not allowed to have negative lengths, so the negative 4, in fact, does not work.